Want to turn on or off silent mode on iPhone? Then it's pretty simple and a quick process. So without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. So on your device, right above your volume increase or decrease button, you should see another button as well. If you click on that button to downward, the silent mode will be turned on your device. Once it is turned on, now whenever the call rings, the ringtone will not play on your device, it will be silent. And if you want to turn off the silent mode, all you gotta do is move the button to the upward and then the silent mode will be turned off. You can also try another way, simply move into the settings of a device. Now scroll down and move into sound and haptics. You can see the option of ringtone and alerts. If you want to turn off the silent mode, all you gotta do is drag this button to the left of the screen. And if you want to turn it on, simply drag this button to the right, and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.